how to download Roblox on PS4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can download Roblox on your PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You might have been or might not have been aware that Roblox is now officially available on your PlayStation Store, be it on PS4 or PS5. So to get this, all you have to do is just go to your PlayStation Store here, and when you go to your PlayStation Store, you can see at the very top left you'll find the search bar, where in the search bar, if you just go ahead and then type in Roblox, on the right hand side you'll be able to see the search result. Make sure that you have enough space, and Roblox game is absolutely free, by the way. So far you don't have to pay for it. You just want to make sure to go ahead and then click the start option here, and then you'll be able to begin playing that game on your PS4 or PS5. This way you can actually download or install Roblox on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.